guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a collaboration video with my friend Sasha, also known as Dance Mum. We are both going to be doing it on the Be Packed. We both have 5 kids in similar ages, and I'm going to be using mine going out with 4 kids today, although I'm not carrying stuff for all of them. So I will link her channel in the description box below, along with the video that she does. I'm doing Olive Rose. I'm not sure what print she's doing because she was expecting her Be Packed to arrive in the mail, and I think there was 2 different ones, so I don't know which one she's going to be doing. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I love the Be Packed. It's one of my favourite backpacks by Jujubee. So it has the grab handle up the top. It has your backpack straps here. They're adjustable. It has this little pocket here at the top here that's similar to the one in the BRB, but this one's a tech pocket. My iPhone 8 Plus fits great into there, and I always put it in there when I go out. It does have the mesh bottle pocket on the side. Now I did hear that there is supposed to be another Be Packed coming out. A few people mentioned it to me actually at the weekend, that's going to have bottle pockets on each side, and I'm not sure if it's going to be structured a little different, because I do find with this one it tips forward a lot. It doesn't right now because I have a lot in it, but sometimes it'll tip forward and it is a bit annoying, but I really do love this. And I love the Olive Rose material, and the rose gold next to onyx is my favourite hardware. So I'm going to show you what I have in the front here. Now this is packed up. We're going on a few errands and then to a restaurant afterwards. So I have a hand sanitizer in there. There's 2 mesh pockets here. I have a little coin purse in Sakura Swirl, which looks lovely with this print, and that has coins in it. And then I also have a small set piece that has charger stuff for my phone, and that's all I put in there. Oh, sorry, I just hit the camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me start again. So I'm going to open this up and show you what I have inside. So that's how I have it packed. I have a little blanket on the top here. It's really hot here right now, and my daughter's car seat, the buckles on it get really hot and it drives her crazy, so I always try and remember to cover it when we get out of the car. Hopefully my lighting is good. It's got awfully dark in here. There's a storm outside. So in here I've got my Rosy Posy Be Rich, and I love Rosy Posy with Olive Rose. They look so pretty together, so that's what I have in there. And then down here I also have a little snack box. I don't need to take much food because we are going out for dinner. My friend Joe picked this up for me from a store here in Canada called Forever Youngsters. I can find their info and link it below too if you're in Canada. I've not had one of these before, so it's kind of really good. I packed it up with some cucumber sticks and carrots, and then I just put it in the fridge and then put it in the bag when we're ready to go. And this kind of just opens like that. You can get them out, or you can just take the whole top off. So probably a good little thing for the kids to take to school too, I think. But anyway, that's what I thought I'd take with me today. And then I have a 17-ounce Swell bottle in there. I also have in this little zipper bit here, I have a cup topper and a silicone straw, just because the restaurant that we're going to, I know, does not have lids on their drinks, and my youngest spills them every single time. I have a wipe pouch here in the Donatella's with Donatella on it, I guess. And then I have the large set piece that has a wet bag and a change of clothes. That's all that's in that main part. In the pocket here, the slip pocket at the back, which is huge I might add, I have a medium set piece that has medkit stuff, and I threw some mummy stuff in there too. And then I also have this custom piece made by Zippity Sew Customs, which I can also link her info down below. This has some twistable crayons, some little ponies, a puzzle, and a couple of notepads back there. And this is in the Sakura Swirl print. I sent her a change pad. This is the size of a Be Quick, if anybody's interested. I wanted it as close to a Be Quick as possible, just because I wanted to use it for this type of thing, but it does fit like diapers and wipes into, and it makes a really good holder for diapers and wipes because it's a lot slimmer, so you can kind of fit it in places that you would maybe a bit tougher to fit a Be Quick in. I have a small set piece here with some story cubes for my kids, and this is stuff just for when we get to the restaurant. And then I have a little coin purse here, and again my friend Joe gave me a whole bunch of these little things. They attach together and you can make all kinds of shapes in, and I thought my kids would probably like those too because they haven't seen them yet. So that is what I had in the Be Packed today, and yeah, I really love the Be Packed. Like I said, it's one of my favourite backpacks. I find it really comfortable to carry, and I just love it with Rosie Posy. It looks so pretty. Like these two prints I think were made for each other. It's so pretty. So anyway, if you have any questions, please comment below, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to go and check out Dance Mum's video too.